Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. So you're gonna put an image in Google search and perform a reverse image search on Android phone, but you don't know how, so don't worry. This video will show you the way how to do that, and I'll give you some bonus information on image search. So let's get started. Firstly, let's open your Chrome browser on Android phone and type it in images.google.com. Next, tap on the three little dots menu button and request a desktop site. Then, the image search page appears. To put the image in Google search, just tap on photo icon. There are two options made available here. You can choose to upload an image that you already have on your Android phone to start your search, or you can grab an image URL and paste it on URL box to carry out the search. Well, now let's come to the bonus part of this video. Here are some nice ways to do with image search. With Google image search, you might not need a keyword or a term to do the search. For example, you might want to search for a product, but you don't know how to call its name. Then, upload the image to find that product might work in a great way. After the image loads up, you can find either the exact product and how does it call with the exact detail labeling of it. Or you might find something that is very similar to that image of yours. Now you can take advantage of the image title and do a further keyword searching then. For example, if we know a product's name, then we can do further search on its reviews, price, features, and more. Image search might give you the original image which was posted, and mostly it's in high resolution. This way, you can detect which image is original and which one is re-uploaded or fake. If you're a blogger, marketer, or designer, then you might want to do an image search for the purpose of looking for some good sense of creating a better unique image for your post. You might use the reverse image search for your research purpose then. There has more benefits when using Google image search that you might discover it for yourself as well. If so, please let us know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, it's time for me to end this video here. I hope that this video gives you a good hack on how to put an image on Google search and carry out your own search ability. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Find this helpful, please share it with others, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorial videos later on. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.